Hello students, good morning. I am Mrs. V.S. Patil madam. Today we are going to see very important question in your writing skills topic, the art of comparing. So what is mean by comparing? In Marathi it is called Sutra Sanchalan. So we are going to see this topic today. This is in 11th standard on page number 123, 22 and 23. There are some writing skills topics in your activity sheet in which this is very important part, and you will see here in 11th as well as 12th standard activity sheet. So what is mean by comparing? There are some precautions to take while comparing, and there are some steps we are going to see in this topic. The person who compares a show introduces the program and the participants is called as the master of ceremonies, abbreviated as MC or EMC, or the compere, anchor, announcer and microphone controller. So there are some programs, there are some ceremonies, there are some formal ones like seminars, conferences, or informal ones like annual gatherings, freshers parties, weddings, etc. In these ceremonies, in these programs, a comparing is very important part. A compare plays very important role. He is mediator, announcer and coordinator of the event. The master of ceremonies is an apt description of the anchor, as he or she is the formal host and the felicitator of the event. There can be a wide range of events, as I have told you, and compare plays very important role in such programs. So what is the role of this compare? It is to warm up the crowd and give them an idea about the program ahead. Or he or she is there to glorify the performance of all the performers with his or her appropriate positive comments and appreciation, and hence it is his unsaid role to ensure enthusiasm among the viewers with active response in the form of an applause. So this is the role of compare in the program, to warm up the crowd. It means to welcome the crowd. या ठिकाणी कंपेअरचं किंवा सूत्रसंचालकाचा अतिशय महत्त्वाचा रोल असा आहे की वेलकम करणं किंवा लोकांना अतिशय कार्यक्रमाचं जे काही माहिती आहे ते अतिशय सुसूत्रपणे देण्याचं काम कंपेअरचं असतं. ही हॅज टू मेक शुअर दॅट देर आर स्मूथ ट्रान्झिशन्स between different segments of the program. In fact, he has to master the skill of stringing, weaving the whole event in one artistic thread. All the same time, should there be any hiccups, the EMC still has to ensure the smooth movement of the program. You know, there are some programs in which there are some different segments. एखाद्या कार्यक्रमामध्ये वेगवेगळे पार्ट असतात आणि यामध्ये कार्यक्रमाचं सूत्रसंचालन करत असताना त्यामध्ये प्रत्येक गेस्टचं अनाउन्समेंट करणं किंवा जे काही स्पीकर्स असतील किंवा जे काही कार्यक्रमामध्ये असणारे काही इव्हेंट्स असतील त्यांचं अनाउन्समेंट करणं आणि त्यासाठी ह्या सगळ्या इव्हेंट्स एका थ्रेडमध्ये व्ह्यू करणं हे अतिशय महत्त्वाचं काम किंवा रोल हा कंपेअरला करावा लागतो. इफ देर आर सम हिकअप्स, इट मीन्स देर आर सम पॉजेस, प्रॉब्लेम्स, कंपेअर हॅज टू एन्श्युअर द स्मूथ मुवमेंट ऑफ द प्रोग्राम. जरी काही प्रॉब्लेम्स किंवा काही जर पॉजेस कार्यक्रमामध्ये येत असतील तर तो कार्यक्रम सुरळीतपणे चालू ठेवण्याचं काम त्या कंपेअरला किंवा त्या सूत्रसंचालकाला करावं लागतं. इन दिस वे अल्टिमेटली प्रेझेन्स ऑन द हिज ऑर हर प्रेझेन्स ऑन द स्टेज शुड एक्झिबिट स्पॉन्टेनिटी, ओरिजिनॅलिटी अँड जेन्युइननेस. देर शुड बी स्पॉन्टेनिटी इन हिज प्रेझेन्स. एक उत्स्फूर्तता त्याच्यामध्ये, उत्स्फूर्तपणा त्याच्यामध्ये दिसला पाहिजे. द वर्ड्स ऑफ द स्पीकर शुड कोरिओग्राफ हिज ऑर हर बॉडी लँग्वेज. to carry him or her through the program with ease, grace, elegance and confidence. So very important part of the for the comparer is the confidence. Whatever the comparing he is going to do, it is very gracefully, easily and confidently he should present. This is the important thing, important part of the compare. Now there are some things here we are going to see about compare, essential qualities of a compare, which are these. Let me see. In-depth knowledge. It means the deep knowledge about the program of the events the compare has to. Nature of event, some information about audience he must know, about the guests on the stage, topic event, all these are important parts or things he should know, he must know. General knowledge of the world around he must know. Compare should get these kind of things. The next part is confidence, essential quality, very important or essential quality for compare is confidence. Confident about one's knowledge, language, appearance, etc. The third one is sense of humor. This is a very important thing to keep audience happy or amuse them by some jokes without offending anyone. So compare should know the things here like jokes or amusement, amusing things, and he should do this without offending anyone. कुणालाही न दुखावता, कुणाच्याही गोष्टी या बाबतीत न उघड करता आपल्याला ऑडियन्सला हॅप्पी ठेवण्याचं काम कंपेअरला करावं लागेल. ॲप्रोप्रिएट बॉडी लँग्वेज, appropriate facial expressions or gestures and eye contact with audience, proper tone and pitch of voice, appropriate clothes should have for compare. Presence of mind here is a very important thing. Here a compare must remain calm and take quick action in a difficult situation, control the situation and carry on the program. Very important thing here again, the program should be go smoothly. For that, if there are some hiccups, there are some pauses, problems created within the program, the presence of mind of a compare is must. And he should take this thing calmly, or he should handle this thing calmly, quietly, and situation he should control, and then he can carry on the program. Now that we have to see the role of the EMC insights in this way, in this part we are going to see what actually things he has to do as a compare, as a good compare. Practice, practice, practice. Better in front of a mirror. So preparation, well equipped with knowledge and all the things here a compare should be. He should practice for more times. Be well prepared and word perfect to innovate or add spontaneous expressions confidently on stage. Here again confidence is very important for compare. Whatever he has prepared as a comparing, he should express it, he should present it innovatively and spontaneously. Then develop a script. He should have a script. जे काही कंपेअरिंग करायचं त्याचं लिखित स्वरूपात त्याच्याजवळ असलं पाहिजे. ड्रेस अप ॲप्रोप्रिएटली फॉर द इव्हेंट. सो व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग हिअर अगेन अटायर, दॅट इज अ कॉस्ट्यूम. त्या कंपेअरचं वेशभूषा अतिशय अप्रोप्रिएट असायला हवे. रिमेंबर दॅट यू आर नॉट द स्टार ऑफ द शो बट इंट्रोड्यूस युअर सेल्फ. Very important thing again, you have to introduce yourself first of all, or in the beginning of the program. Actually you have to introduce yourself, but there are some limitations. You are going to compare a show or a program, so important thing or important focus should be on the guests, audience, etc. You have to introduce yourself, but it is for the beginning only. Then breathe steadily and deeply. While comparing, you should be confident. The presence of mind should be there, and you have to deeply you have to breathe and steadily. Now address the audience with a smile, suitable expressions, voice modulations and maintain eye contact. Here it will bring your confidence again. You have to address the audience with smile, suitable expressions and voice modulations. You have to maintain the eye contact with audience, then you will see the smoothness of the program. Bring pace to your delivery. There should be consistency in your pace. तुम्ही जे काही बोलत आहात, कंपेअरिंग करत आहात, त्याच्यामध्ये गतीमध्ये सातत्य असायला हवं आहे. कंट्रोल द टायमिंग ऑफ द प्रोसिडिंग्स. You have to keep in mind the time of the program and then you have to speak. So for that you have to have a script of this program. Apologize should there be major flaw, mistake or mishap. It is your humbleness. You have to be humble. म्हणजे तुमच्याकडे जर काही चूक झाली असेल बोलण्यामध्ये तर तुम्ही त्या क्षणाला माफी मागितली गेली पाहिजे. It is very important thing again. So we have seen there are some important things about the compare, what the precautions he has to take, what is the role, major role of the compare within the program we have seen here. Now we are going to see the next part of this topic, pillars. Very important thing here in comparing pillars. What is mean by this? To fill the gap between two performances. Suppose any guest or any speaker is delayed to speak here, to come on the stage. Fillers play very important role at that time. ज्यावेळेस एखाद्या कार्यक्रमाचा एखाद्या इव्हेंटचा सुरू करायला वेळ होत असेल आणि मध्ये गॅप राहत असेल दोन्ही इव्हेंटच्या मध्ये, दोन्ही कार्यक्रमाच्या दोन्ही इव्हेंटमध्ये, तर त्या ठिकाणी फिलर्स अतिशय महत्त्वाचं काम करत असतात. What are these things here in pillars we can add here? While anchoring, the most crucial thing is to keep the audience engaged. Pillars are small performances, enactments to keep the audience entertained and attentive. The role of the pillar can also be that of providing comic relief between two performances. They are usually required when the schedule of the program is delayed or disturbed for some reason. Here in this way, there are some programs in which we have some delay. In between that, you have to add these pillars. One can choose from multiple types of pillars such as mimicry, atoms, riddles, anecdotes, fun facts, jokes, recitation or small performances to suit the event. So again, keeping in mind the time management, you have to add these pillars in between two performances. या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला पिलर्सचा उपयोग करता येईल. त्या ठिकाणी जोक्स असतील, मिमिक्री असेल, एनेक्डोट्स असतील, रिडल्स असेल, रिसायटेशन असेल, या सगळ्या गोष्टी वेळेचं भान ठेवून यामध्ये ॲज अ पिलर तुम्ही ॲड करू शकता. कंपेअरला ॲड करता येऊ शकतात. द कंपेअर शुड कीप द पिलर्स रेडी बिफोर हँड इन द सेम वे दॅट ही ऑर शी कीप्स द स्क्रिप्ट रेडी. वन मस्ट कीप इन माइंड दॅट पिलर्स आर व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट as they bind the program and maintain its continuity. In this way, pillars play very important role, but compare should keep the pillars beforehand. In the same way, or he or she keeps the script ready. कार्यक्रमाची स्क्रिप्ट रेडी करत असतानाच पिलर्स तुम्हाला तयार ठेवावे लागतील आणि त्याचा उपयोग इन बिटवीन जिथं कार्यक्रमामध्ये गरज असेल तिथं करता येईल. आणि यासाठी पिलर्स खूप महत्त्वाचं रोल करत असतात. वी हॅव सीन हिअर द परफॉर्मन्सेस, स्मॉल परफॉर्मन्सेस आर द एंटरटेनमेंट्स फॉर द ऑडियन्स. यू कॅन यूज हिअर ॲज द पिलर्स. नाव देर आर सम precautions to be made before you compare a program. Any program that time a compare has to take a precautions. आपल्याला कार्यक्रमाचं सूत्रसंचालन करत असताना काय काळजी घ्यावी लागेल किंवा काही गोष्टी काटेकोरपणे बघाव्या लागतील ॲज अ कंपेअर. त्याला आपण प्रिकॉशन्स टू बी मेड बिफोर द कंपेअर असं म्हणूया. प्रोग्राम Understand the complete program. Be clear about your role. Before going to start comparing, before going to introduce yourself, or before going to begin, you have to understand the complete program, the event, and your role should be clear that time. Find out the details of the audience you are going to address. This is very important thing here. You are going to address some people, the guests, the important personalities, dignitaries. That time you have to be well known about all the information regarding the audience, regarding the guests, addressers, etc. And audience also you should know. Find out the correct pronunciation of the names you are to announce, their profession, qualification. In this information you should deal with the professions, qualifications of the important personalities to whom you are going to announce. Write down the entire script after discussing with the organizer. You have to keep in mind the organizers, or you have to consult with the technicians, the guests, and keep in mind all these things while doing your script, while keeping in mind. You have to keep in mind all these things while making your script. Collect extra information about the guest, audience that will help you in your comparing. Extra information you should get about the guests and audience while keeping your script. It will very helpful for your comparing. Keep fillers, jokes ready for times when there are gaps in the program. As I have told you already, the pillars play very important role in the program, in the comparing, as you have to be ready with all these jokes, pillars, etc. Keep a pleasant face and maintain eye contact with audience. As I have told you already that you have to be very fresh and pleasant face you should have, and maintain the eye contact with audience. Coordinate with the technicians, guest speakers, other speakers, etc. In this way, these are very important precautions you have to take. You have to take care about these precautions while comparing any program. And now, in this question, in your activity sheet, what type of question will be there? As I have told you what is meant by comparing, what precautions a compare has to take, what are the essential qualities of the comparing, and the pillars, very important part in the comparing. I have told you. Now I am going to tell you type of question there will be in your activity sheet. As you will see on page number 126 in your textbook, in 11th standard textbook. Imagine that you wish to organize a cultural event. Before going to see the question, let me see the qualities of a compare as an event. This is brainstorming activity. Let me solve this first of all, and then we will see the question, type of question you will see in your activity sheet. So let me see, imagine that you wish to organize a cultural event in your college. You have to prepare own web chart to indicate the qualities that you expect to have in compare. The qualities of a compare for cultural event. Some qualities are given here in your textbook. Let me see, let me fill some other. Good communication skills. Compare needs good communication skills. As he has to compare the program, he has to play very important, very major role. As a compare, he should have the good communication skill. The knowledge of the subject. Again, very essential quality a compare should have. Regarding cultural event, he should know the whole subject of this comparing. The knowledge about the subject he should have. Proper attire. This is his appearance should be very proper. Attire means here veshbhusha अतिशय योग्य असायला हवे. Understanding the nature and tone of the event. This understanding should have to the compare. या कार्यक्रमाचं जे नेचर आहे किंवा टोन आहे तो त्याचा अंडरस्टँडिंग कम्पेअरला असायलाच पाहिजे. understanding of audience, keeping them interested and responsive. So very important thing here, he has to introduce the program, the guests, etc., and the response and the interest should be kept by the compare. या ठिकाणी लोकांचा किंवा ऑडियन्सचा जो रिस्पॉन्स असेल तो किंवा जो इंटरेस्ट ठेवण्याचं काम, वाढवण्याचं काम या कम्पेअरला करायचे त्याच्या कम्पेअरिंगमधून. Appropriate body language is again one important quality. Ability to ensure smooth movement of program even when there are hurdles. Suppose there are some hurdles, कार्यक्रमात काही अडथळे येत असतील तर त्यासाठी त्या कम्पेअरकडं कार्यक्रम स्मूथली चालू ठेवण्याचं एक ॲबिलिटी असायला हवी आहे. त्यासाठी फिलर्सचा उपयोग करता येऊ शकतो. should have spontaneity, originality and genuineness. Again this is very important quality for compare. त्याच्याकडे एक प्रकारचं सातत्य, एक प्रकारचं उत्स्फूर्तता असायला हवी आहे कार्यक्रमामध्ये आणि अशा प्रकारे त्या क्वालिटीज असणाऱ्या व्यक्तीला कम्पेअरिंग अतिशय सक्सेसफुली करता येऊ शकतं. In this way we have seen this brainstorming activity. Now let me see one question. There will be what type of question you will be there in your activity sheet. Imagine that you are a compare of a prize distribution ceremony of your college. Write a script of the same. You can take help of the following points. Points like this: introduction, a brief introduction of the program, function, show. You have to give in this way. Welcome speech, welcome of all guests. This is the script you have to write here in your notebook, taking the help of these following points. Felicitation of the guests, principal, vice principal, etc. Lighting the lamp, welcome song, main events, vote of thanks. This will be the script. The points are given here for the comparing script. You have to develop this in your notebook. You have to write in your notebook. And for that you can take help of the comparing sample. It is given on page number 124 and 25. A sample comparing script is given here. You can prepare one another comparing script of prize distribution ceremony in your notebook. Okay, thank you.